In the dawn, a luxury drone racing champion turned tech investor strolls through a private airfield, plotting deals. He shares a blueprint for wealth, merging high-risk technology bets with exclusive experiences that attract a global elite. From a carbon-neutral superyacht base in Monaco to precision AI gardens, his days weave strategy, philanthropy, and splashy moments. Viewers discover how diversified holdings fuel a charity wing, a fleet of eco-yachts, and ultra-rapid electric cars. This episode reveals authentic choices behind opulent living, while offering practical takeaways for building wealth with elegance.